Looking for a quick, healthy, and delicious breakfast? Here's a perfect choice: banana oats pancake. It's soft, fluffy, and naturally sweet. No maida, no sugar. Made with simple ingredients that are packed with nutrition and taste. Let's talk about the health benefits first. Oats are high in soluble fiber and great for digestion. They help in controlling cholesterol, balancing blood sugar, and supporting weight loss. Bananas are rich in potassium, fiber, and natural sugar. They give instant energy and keep you full longer. Together, banana and oats make this pancake a perfect guilt free breakfast. All you need is two ripe bananas, half cup of oats, 1/4 cup of milk, dairy or plant based, one egg or 2 tablespoons of curd for binding, a pinch of cinnamon powder, half teaspoon of baking powder, and a little honey or jaggery if you want extra sweetness. In a blender, add oats and grind into a fine powder. Then add the banana, milk, egg or curd, cinnamon, and baking powder in a bowl and whisk it together. Or else blend everything in grinder to make a smooth thick batter. If it's too thick, add a tablespoon of milk to adjust the consistency. Afterwards, heat a non-stick pan and grease it lightly with ghee or oil. Pour a ladle of batter and cook on low flame. When small bubbles appear, flip it gently and cook the other side until golden brown. Soft, fluffy, and perfectly cooked pancakes are ready in minutes. Repeat the process for the rest of it. Serve warm banana oats pancake with honey, fruits, or peanut butter on top. They make a wholesome breakfast, post workout meal, or even a healthy dessert. So, next time you crave something sweet, skip the sugar and try these naturally sweet, nutritious pancakes instead. If you love this healthy recipe, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty and nutritious ideas. And thanks for watching the channel.